So children, let us first see what is a square. A square is a closed figure having four sides and each side is of equal length. Here the topic is how many squares. Let this square be of 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Each side of this square is 1 centimeter. So it is covering certain space, certain place on this board. So this area the place covered by this square, surrounded by this square, is called area of this square. So what is its area? As you can see, it is 1 centimeter in each side. So it is the basic unit. It is a unit square. It is a unit square and its area is 1 square centimeter. So the area of this small square having each side 1 centimeter is called a unit square and its area is 1 square centimeter. And we will use these units to measure the area of different closed figures. Let's take an example. So it is a rectangle having its side 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter. It is 2, so here the opposite side is also 2 centimeter and this opposite side is also 5 centimeter. So what is its area? Area is the same as how many small squares or the unit squares are there inside this big rectangle. So let us see how many unit squares are there. How many? Look, our topic is how many squares. So how many squares matlab? This is the basic unit of measurement of area. So this is square unit, unit square. How many unit squares are there in this rectangle? How will you find? So children, look, here it is 5 centimeter and this is 1 centimeter. So we can arrange 5 squares side by side in one row, and there are 2 rows as it is 2 centimeter. So it is 1 centimeter and this is 1. So there are 2 rows. We can draw like this. One, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's draw. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you can see these are small squares having each side 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and this is also 1 centimeter. So this small square is the basic unit of measurement of area. So this is 1 square centimeter. And now the question is, how many such unit squares are there in this rectangle? So if we arrange them, we can arrange 5. 1, here 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 unit squares in row 1. And similarly in row 2 there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in first row there are 5 squares, and in the second row there are again 5 squares. So total 5 plus 5, there are 10 squares. So the area of this rectangle will be, so the area will be 10 square centimeter. Got it, children? We can simply do this by counting. We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, again 5, 5 plus 5, 10. Let's take another example. So children, here the second question, example 2, you are given a square having each side 6 centimeter. To find its area, what will be its area? The same process, children. Area means we have to find out how many unit squares of 1 centimeter can be arranged in this big square. So how many unit squares can be arranged? So here we can see it is 6 centimeter. The length of this side is 6 centimeter and the length of this side is 6 centimeter. So here we can arrange 6 small squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in first row because it is 6 centimeter. And how many rows can be arranged? Again it is 6 centimeters. So there are 6 rows. Let's draw the diagram. So children, look, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 small squares arranged in each row, and the small square is having length 1 centimeter. So this is 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1. So it is a square of 1 square centimeter. It is the unit square whose area is 1 square centimeter. And now the question is, how many small squares are there in this big square? It is simple, children. Let's take how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 rows. And in each row, how many squares? In each row there are 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the first row. In the second row again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the third row there are again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in each row you can see there are 6 small squares. So 6 rows and 6 squares in each. 6 squares in each row. So if you multiply, there will be 36 squares in total. If the area of one square is 1 square centimeter, then what is the area of these 36 squares? Yes. So the area of these, all these 36 squares are 36 square centimeter. So this is the answer. Simple, children. So area of certain figure, certain square or rectangle is nothing but to find out how many unit squares can be arranged in these big square or rectangle. So how many squares? That is why the lesson is how many squares. Okay, I hope you understood. Let's take another example, children. So 1 square, the area of one small square is 1 square centimeter. The area of 49 small squares is 49 square centimeter. Example, find the area of the given rectangle. So children, you have been given a rectangle that is length 3 centimeter and width 2 centimeter. Rectangle whose length is 3 centimeter and width is 2 centimeter. So how many rows, children? How many rows are there? As the width is 2 centimeter, we can arrange squares in 2 rows, row 1 and row 2. And how many squares are there in each row? As the length is 3 centimeter, first square 1 centimeter, second square 1 centimeter, and the third square also 1 centimeter. So 1, 2, 3. So 2 rows, two rows, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3. So 2 rows, and how many squares in each row? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 squares in each row. 3 squares in each row. So what is the total number of squares? What is the total number of squares? Simply you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or otherwise 2 and 3. 2 rows and 3 squares in each. So 2 into 3, that equal to 6 squares. So we have found the total number of squares. So now find the area. Area of this rectangle is nothing but the area of all these 6 squares. The area of all these 6 squares. And what is the area of 1 square? Here it is. Area of 1 square is 1 square centimeter. So the area of 6 squares is 6 square centimeter. So children, I hope you understood the concept very well. We'll see many more problems in the next class. Thank you.